Do you want to work in South Korea as factory worker and earn for as much as 82,000 to 150,000 pesos a month? Come on, watch this. Welcome to the Employment Permit System, a government-to-government program, no placement fee, no salary deduction, free food and accommodation, bonuses and incentives, back pay and insurances ranging 500,000 to 900,000 pesos, 3 years up to 4 years and 10 months contract. Check this out for the qualifications: 18 to 38 years old, male or female, any educational attainment, have not stayed in South Korea for 5 or more years under E9 or E10 visa, no records of deportation or departure order from the Republic of Korea, no derogatory records, not restricted to depart from Philippines, any height and weight, no physical and medical handicaps such as colorblind, hepatitis B, HIV, tuberculosis history or lung scar, slip disc, finger amputation, etc., with or without experience, tattoos are allowed, KLT or Korean language test passer. We will assist you on the things that you need to prepare: passport, at least 1 year valid from the time of registration for the examination, scanned copy of the front or data page, 1 MB file size in JPEG format, ID feature, passport size 3.5 cm by 4.5 cm, white background, 100 to 300 pixels, 15 KB file size and taken within 3 months. E-registration account, created 2018 onwards. If you don't have an account yet, we will assist you on creating one. Examination fee of $24 US, around 1,347 pesos, but it may vary depending on the currency exchange rate. What are you waiting for? Enroll now at Kdream HKS. Proven and tested, a Korean language center that train you how to get the answer accurately, the best hacks and technique that is timely relevant to EPS topic actual questions, with many successful aspirants and with best quality learning materials. Visit us now at Kdream HKS, Korean Language Tutorial Services, located at 4th floor Trinesia Center Building, PA Bernardo Cubao, Quezon City, or contact us at cell phone number 0969 536 9553.